Good day, everyone. Okay, in this lesson, I will teach you uh, how you can apply the type 3 if then else if statements in Visual Basic. The if then else if is similar to if then else statement, except that it offers as many choices as necessary. Here, the if statement checks each of the conditions until it finds one that is true. And if none of the conditions are true, then it executes the else statement. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to do that. So using our student grade in school, so you can check that if your score is 80 above, 80 and above, 80, 81, 82 until 100, your grade is 4. If your score is 75 to 79, then your grade is 3.5. If your score is 70 to 74, your grade is 3. And if your score is 65 to 69, your grade is 2.5. 60 to 64, 2. 55 to 59, 1.5. 50 to 54, 1. And if your score is 49, 49 below, so your grade is 0. So here in this lesson, I will teach you how to do that. Okay, let's apply this. I already finished. But to the importance of this lesson, I will teach you how to do that. So if your score is 80, when you click calculate, so your grade is 4 and your mark is pass. So if you click clear, then you will all of the score, grade, and marks will be clear. And then you can check again. Let's say 66 or 65. And when you click calculate, so you will see automatically that your grade is 2.5 and your mark is pass. Again, I will click clear to clear all the data. But if your score is 47 and you click calculate, so you can see that your grade is 0 and your mark as failed. So how can we do that in Visual Basic? So we can do that using the type 3 if then else if statements in Visual Basic. You can see here in the flow chart, you can use the if condition using if, then and then the next condition else if, the next condition else if, until you reaches the the statements which is not part of the condition, which is false. So here in this in our condition here, so we will check if all 80 and above is true, 75 to 79 is true, 70 to 74 is true, 65 to 69, 6 to 64, 55 to 59, 50 to 54 is true. So until they achieve this 49 to 49 below, which is failed. So here we will check if 80, if score is 80 above, then 4. Until it reaches 50 to 54 is 1. But if it reaches 49, then it will be failed. So let's check this here. If condition is true, then moves back again. Else if the condition until it reaches else, which is this one, 49 below, which is 0. So let's do this in Visual Basic. Okay, again, here is the code, so I will remove it. For the purpose of this, and I will remove all of this so that you can learn it from the start. I will view the object. Then here I will show you what is the name of this score, which is score. The name property of score is the same, score. The grade is grade. You can see the name property. And the last one is mark, which is mark also. So that you can easily learn. And now when we click calculate, this will calculate the grade and the mark. So I will double click here. And now we can move to the condition. So if score that text is greater than, which is 80 and above, greater than or equal to 80, which means 80 and above, then again, greater than or equal to 80, 80, 81, 82, 83 until 100. These are numbers greater than 80 above. Greater than or equal to 80. Then grade that text is equal to 4. And the next condition, else if score that text is greater than or equal to 75. You can see 75 to 79. Because 80 and above is already taken by the first condition. The first condition taken the numbers 80 and above. So here we are now checking 75, the numbers 75 to 79, which is 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. These are the numbers that are only taken by this condition. Then grade that text is equal to 3.5. Again, else if score that text is greater than 70. Greater than or equal to 70. So what are numbers that were taken by greater than or equal to 70? Again, 75 to 79 was taken by this condition. If you make a condition like this, then only the numbers 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 are numbers taken by this condition. And then we can say grade that text is grade that text is equal to 3. Okay, again, another else if score that text is greater than or equal to 65. So these are numbers 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Remember, 70 was taken by 70 to 74 was taken by this condition. So if you make condition like this inside inside this condition, if then else and if, only the numbers 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 was taken by this condition. So here you can say then grade.text is equal to 2.5. Again, else if score.text, wait a moment, I made a mistake. Else if score.text is greater than equal to 60, then so what are the grade? Grade.text is equal to 2. Okay, remember greater than or equal to 60. These are only numbers 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Remember 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 was taken by this condition. So if you made a condition like this within the if then else statements, so you can also check 60, 61, 62, 63, 64 will have a grade of 2. Okay, again, another condition here, else if score.text is greater than equal to 55. Then, you can see greater than or equal to 55. So what are the numbers taken by this condition? It is only 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And then the grade.text is equal to 1.5. Okay, another condition, else if score.text is greater than or equal to 50. Then, so what are the numbers taken by greater than or equal to 50? Remember 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 was taken by this condition. And this condition only take the numbers 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, and then the grade.text is equal to 1. And then the last one is else, which is the last condition. Else, if none of the condition, if none of the score was not covered by these numbers 80 to 50, let's say 49, 48, 47, 46 until 0. Again, if the score.text is less than 80 to 50, let's say 50 less than 50 is 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 until 0. So what will be the grade of the student? So grade.text is equal to 0. And then you can say and if. Okay? And that's how we can do that in Visual Basic. The if, then else if, and then the last condition else. So you can check this using a simple condition in Visual Basic, the if then else if condition. You can see we can handle many situation, many condition inside an if then else if statements. Now let's check this in Visual Basic. Okay, let's check if score is 50. Okay, and then when we say calculate, you can see the grade is 1. As you can see here, if score is, else if score.text is greater than or equal to 50, then grade.text is equal to 1. You can see. So if I change this, if 81, so when we calculate, so your score is 4. You can see, if score.text is greater than equal to 80, your score is 4. How about if score.text is 66? So when we click calculate, your score is 2.5. So you can see greater than equal to 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. The grade is 2.5. But now we need to put mark here. So we will push in every condition. Okay. Here we will put in every condition. Okay, I will stop the execution. And then you can say in every condition mark that text is equal to pass. And I will copy all of this here. Greater than is equal to 75 is pass. Greater than or equal to 70 is pass. Greater than or equal to 65 is pass. Greater than or equal to 60 is pass. Greater than or equal to 55 is pass. Greater than or equal to 50 is pass. Okay, how about here in else statement, which is grade.text is 0, it should be failed. Okay, this should be failed. And now we need to go here. So when I click here, when I click clear, then here the text box is all of this text box will be clear. So we will move here. So it's already here. Score.text is equal to space. So when we make something like this, it should be space. Okay. Now let's save it, and then I will check it again. You can see the score is 71. And when we click calculate, the grade is 3 and your mark is pass. And then when I click clear, you can see that all of the scores in score, grade, and mark are clear. And you can make another calculation. 45 is failed. Okay, and this is how you can use the if then, else if statements in Visual Basic. You can use many conditions inside an if then, else if statements. You can apply the student grades. You can see when I put your grades here, I can easily learn. I can easily know what is your average grade. Okay. Thank you and see you again next time.